Welcome to chemistry classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about variation of limiting molar conductance. So that will be denoted with delta 0m or lambda 0m. Okay. This is said to be limiting molar conductance of strong electrolytes with increase in the dilution. అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోలైటిక్ సొల్యూషన్ డైల్యూషన్ని పెంచే కొద్దీ అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోలైటిక్ సొల్యూషన్ని డైల్యూట్ చేసే కొద్దీ ఆ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్స్ లిమిటింగ్ మోలార్ కండక్టెన్స్ అనేది ఎలా మారుతుంది అనేది మనం ఈ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ డెల్టా m is equal to delta 0m minus a into c power half is helpful to explain the phenomena. Okay, so let us consider with the terms present in the equation. Here lambda m or delta m, it is equal to molar conductance. Lambda 0m is equal to limiting molar conductance. Okay, here let us see. Limiting molar conductance means conductance of electrolyte, molar conductance of electrolyte at infinite dilution. Molar conductance of electrolyte at infinite dilution is said to be limiting molar conductance. Is it clear? What is said to be infinite dilution? ఒక సొల్యూషన్ని ఫర్దర్గా మళ్ళీ డైల్యూట్ చేయలేనంతగా డైల్యూట్ చేస్తే, ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ సెడ్ టు బి ఇన్ఫినిట్ డైల్యూషన్. ఓకే, సో ద మోలార్ కండక్టెన్స్ at infinite dilution is called as limiting molar conductance. Okay, that is this. Is it clear? A is equal to constant. The value of A differs from one strong electrolyte to another strong electrolyte. Is it clear? Now C to the power of half. This represents concentration. This is about the equation which is helpful for predicting the variation of limiting molar conductance of strong electrolytes with increase in dilution. Okay. Now, when we consider with graphical representation of this equation, being this equation resembles y is equal to mx minus c. Y is equal to mx minus c. Okay. Now let us see. When you plot a graph for this equation, y is equal to mx minus c, let us consider this as y axis, this as x axis. Okay. When you take concentration term on x axis and conductance term on y axis. Okay. So here we have taken concentration on x axis and molar conductance on y axis. Okay. So being this equation has resemblance, this equation has resemblance with y is equal to mx minus c. So then one can get a negative slope which has an intercept on y-axis. A negative slope which has an intercept on y-axis. Okay. Now let us consider from right to left. From right to left, the concentration decreases and dilution increases. The concentration decreases, dilution increases from right to left. Okay. Here let us see, when you consider the plot of time from right to left, here there is low molar conductance. Okay. Here there is low molar conductance. Okay. As we dilute the solution, as we increase the dilution, then what is happening here? The molar conductivity abruptly increases. Okay, and stabilizes at this value. Is it clear? Consider the conductance at this point is to be limiting molar conductance. Okay, is it clear? So now this is the study of variation of limiting molar conductance of strong electrolyte with increase in dilution. In previous videos, we have discussed why the conductance of strong electrolytes increases on dilution. ఎందుకు స్ట్రాంగ్ ఎలక్ట్రోలైట్ కండక్టెన్సెస్ డైల్యూషన్ తో పాటు ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతాయి అనేది మనం ముందు వీడియోస్ లో చూసాం. We have studied the reasons also, that is relaxation effect or asymmetric effect and electrophoric effect. Okay, is it clear? Thank you.